I'm Doug Hershey, author of the best-selling book, Israel Rising, Ancient Prophecy, Modern Lens, that looks at the revival of this land and combines an ancient prophecy, regional history, and stunning then and now photo comparisons. I'm pleased to announce a second volume in the Ancient Prophecy, Modern Lens series, a brand new photo book, Jerusalem Rising. In Israel Rising, we looked at the physical revival of this land. In Jerusalem Rising, we looked at the prophesied restoration of this city and why it has arrested men's hearts through the centuries, even in its desolation. No other city on earth has had its history foretold from its destruction to empty desolation to a revival as a major player on the world stage. Today, according to prophecy and against all odds, Jerusalem is rising again. And it's just the beginning. See the evidence for yourself.